Now I made a previous video on this little router that was super fun, so I figured why not continue.
Okay, so that's a Wi-Fi repeater, that $5 thing that you did that video on about 5 months ago.
You'll notice
this is a router. So I'm glad that we got a router this time.
Here, you will notice there is this really weird pattern in Tenda firmware where for some reason everything they do, they base64 encode it and that becomes the password.
I was looking at some of the comments and there's a big misunderstanding. People are thinking that it's just to secure the password as like a hash, but that's not what Base64 is. It's you convert the binary data into like something that's representable across a wide range of computer systems. Like avoiding special characters and parsing and config file problems, and there's a whole bunch of shit. Like it's crazy. It's not weird at all. It's actually normal. It's totally like this guy down here says I encode data Base64. Someone is supposed to enter strings, blah blah blah. Like that's it's like an envelope. Like you're putting all your data into like an envelope, and that envelope is going to be received at the other end, and all that data is in there, and you get it exactly how it is. Like, so I don't know what the fuck's going on here.
Lo and behold, if we go and use this password to get into the device, it doesn't work. Also, maybe it just takes a Base64, and this also does not work. Guys, in classic me fashion,
what's going on?
I bought the wrong router, okay? This version of the router is not vulnerable to this backdoor.
Wait a minute, why did you just try, what's this say? Why would you try the other one right here if it's getting this value right here? What?
Now, like any good hacker, Tenda AC8 calculated root password. The TLDR here is they take the...
Bro, I thought you said you were a hacker. Okay, this is just criticism, but it would be really cool if you actually found this shit by yourself. Just from a programmer's perspective, this is the opposite of hacking. Nathan Baggs on YouTube, like he's hacking shit, dude. This ain't, dude, you just looking at this shit. Okay, so July 28th, you have to go frame by frame with the period and the comma on YouTube, but you can see the scan date, July 28th. And this is on July 6th by Carnegie Mellon. And they have the same bin HTTPD, get value sys, RZ admin.
No, and sure as shit, right there is the pre-Base64 encoded password, and then after that is the Base64 encoded string.
That's the local serial console. Calling this hacking is being extremely generous. This is like hiding my MySQL password somewhere in my hard drive, and I spent 10 hours trying to find out where it was, and I got the login as root, and I created a table, and now I'm a hacker. What the fuck is this? Dude. I don't know what to say. This shit's been hacked. The more I look, dude, the more I Google everything that he does, like, this shit.